Yeah, man, as I tell you them, ever do the right thing. Pitbull there.
Yeah.
There with the Addy, you see me?
You see?
Yeah, man, real charging. Progressive youth, ever up and about. Yes, man. And skating. Shortcut the body, you know. Really hard, like I tell you, sir. Get up, get about, and do the right thing. And remember, man, always walk with the Most High. Yeah, man. It's a blessed day. I'm up and about. In the countryside, you know me already. Always keeping it vibrant, you know? Yes, man, but come my yard with me. I'm gonna show you around. Yeah, man, you know me already.
Pull you up, man, you see me? Big up your damn self, man, you see it? I'm straight this boss, man, you know? Step on so that, you see it?
I want to say, hey, what I say? Shout out to the steppers. I want to say, shout out to the steppers.
You got to let it go. You got to let it go.
Like I'm up and about another vibrant day. Yes, man. I'm there in the countryside, you know, with a lot of hard-working farmers. Yeah, man. And in general, them always find time to step. Yeah, man. Them call themselves the steppers, yeah. It's a blessing, man. But the youth, them never yet a prayer life a crime. Them always a prayer positive way out, you know. Yeah, man. It is a blessing to see them come together and I do them things, you see me? Yeah, man. But give it some time, man. This is hard. I mean, I tell you, the youth, them full of talents. Crazy talents, you know. It's a blessing. Bro.
Man, pull you up, man, you see me? Big up your damn self, man, you see it? I'm straight this boss, man, you know? Step on so that, you see it?
Cheer.
You know it's time. 4-1-1-4 that I call it, you see me? Yeah, man, I can tender age, you know? And with passion for dancing, you see me? I mean, a youth, we say, only for town youth, you see me? Monster, Dougie and the man, they come in that place to dance. But look at the style them do, catch it, you see me?
Cheer.
So from them time they till now, always I do it.
Step in. Yeah, man. And the steppers, them up and out, you know. Always doing the right thing. It's a blessing. Yeah, man. Come with it.
Yo, when the moon there, yeah. Gonna fear axe with the bull there. Gonna fear axe with the bull there, yeah. Man full of flow like a river with a power. Then they let the girl run like a kind of life. Have the girl give me head in a China white. Oh, she the place that girl give me beat. Gonna fear axe with the bull there, yeah. Man full of flow like a river with a power. Then they let the girl run like a
Yeah, we still have a session for that.
Cheers.
Jamaica, you start dancing, you say, see, a long time you forward it, you see me? On foundation style. You see me running out of blood, see how it is, you see me? Make a look evacuate and resend them, I say, don't know the thing already. Steppers them out, you do look at things, see how it is, you see me? All of a look at movements and everything. Dancing up and we keep on doing the same way. Or we come from far, you see it and one reach far, see how it is, you don't know. You have to do the thing.
Blessings, man. Blessings every time.
14 right outside. Yeah, live.
Blessings, man. Blessings every time, man. Welcome my yard, bro.
Yeah.
Steppers them up and about. Yeah, man. It's a blessing and it's a vibrant afternoon. Come step with the them. Yeah, man. Militant. Cheers.
Hey, Jack, bro. Big up X. Classic. You know, Jack, bro, you know.
Yeah, man, you have a whole heap of talent there, yeah, you know. A whole lot of talent. Trust me. Yeah, man. And the steppers, them want to give a special shout out to quite a few persons. And, you know, whenever they pan yes, we're going nowhere yet in our real life. You see me? We ever take it one step at a time. So we have enough time for them shout out to all of them family members from one to wherever it stop. Blessings, man. Why are you there with it? And the idea them do the match soon, yeah?
Black chat. Tell them.
Yeah man, straight bar steppers, you see me?
Kill the steppers. One.
Jump step. You know it go.
Flipper the flipper, you know, always out of step, you know.
See, man, I done tell you before, you know. Our flex steppers, and we out here forever. Nah.
Watch this. Yeah man, we're going to cave right now. Ah no, no, no man. Step-ins. No. Sorry about it.
Alright, don't take it out, don't take it out. Yeah. You see, I'm flex steppers, you know, cash guard, you know. You see me?
Hold it.
The young man, we don't know anything already.
Young steppers.
See me? Yeah, come cash guard.
Shit. Blessings, man.
Fully
Rough
outside,
one.
man, hear that? Yo, say shout out to the steppers then.
One. When I say yard, you say steppers. Yard. 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 Yard, yard, yard. Step-ins.